Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your reviews in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're in the home page, you can look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and here in this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the reviews section. You can just press on it, and here you will be able to see all of your reviews. Now in my case, I don't have any reviews about hotels or flights or anything, because I haven't really used this app to to have any travel or to book hotels or anything. So that's the reason why this page is empty for me. But if you use this app regularly, or you have used it at least once to travel or something, you will be able to see your reviews here. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.